Good afternoon. My name is Dayana Izquierdo Garzón. September 2021. Dear Secretary, Mayor Secretary analyzes the problem the arts present in the environment due the excursion of technology, the environment which can see holes in the negative for the environment earth is shared my point of views and the possible solution that can minimize this problem. If it's all technology of the environment. In this discussion, I will attempt to lay the functions for the arguments the advance of technology has negatively impacted the environment. The topic is extremely broad, multifaceted, limits and the environment can be conflict together and will first define the two cases where that is as technology and the environment. Technology could be interpreted and the any pitch use human ingenuity that had been inverted by human direct or species developers from fields used development or on the resulted on the modern technology which see all roads used today in while limits the technology to only encompass technology they required use electricity. The third environment could it's interpreted to encompass social environment and the world's physical environment for humans or for the humans aspect of nature. I will limit the third environment to only discuss the impact on the non-human elements of the natural world, the negative effects on the environment directly related to technology to which I will focus in the destruction of natural habitats and pollution. This occurs primarily, but not exclusively, to constitution of the use of internal combustion engines which run on the petrol, diesel, on the natural gas. There is no doubt that the introduction of the electric has benefits the human species is white that our ancestors only have dreamt of from elders heightened sanction on the logistical nature of food system of agriculture and water. Even the building of frozen and the architecture realize of technology requiring electricity with short advances. It could be as one the species would still have survived in the past as well as survived in the future. The ambition for this world, the tribes and the communities existing in the earth and the Amazon natives of Papua New Guinea and the Aborigines Australia, however, is me continuing the those life will be possibilities in world be and the very less hastor the 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 life cycle of the technology depend on the electric cool the simplified to who for carries extend the genetic of this electricity the manufacturer of the production for this technology, the transportation and the use the technology and the ultimate disposal or and life that set products the Scott os the issue will be to base to analyze assess all four states so I will only be addressing the first stage to the phase of my fundamentally the generation of electricity is all based on moving copper coil through a giant magnetic field white on um, section-based solar energy gains access to material due to this is a required zone for of minutes this non plane and destroying hosts are of natural vegetation and the habitat for wildlife mean is require transporting and the machines increasing dependency for utsi polluting emitting vehicles these are carbon dioxide producing process would uh, also produce of toxic gases that in large quantity would result in the degradation of only environment for oxygen, breathing animal for those who accept the believed of carbon dioxide to any for man-made clean change this will clear a negative electric plant also requires construction, transporting, and the natural resources, white cement manufacture being one of the landing causes of CO2 creation events. Solar panel materials require both are not readily accessibly required, therefore more means mining, construction, and the transporting one could even argument that as demand for electricity increases, as population increases, and the as nation will offer difficult more dependent on the choice technology. This will only and the full to the first for this demand for electric and energy and the resources scarcity could also become a problem with friction current between nation hosts have and the those who have no rights culture which certain error has a possible impact on any natural environment. Renewable energy is both specific and and if they are they function effectively and efficiently to any energy network, they require a way storing the energy when the renewable resource is the part so it can be used when the source becomes unavailable. For example, when you know for in turbines or it's night time for solar power. On one technology that could be batteries for board batteries, wood mining, or the design requires sophisticated material. All the cost utilized would be better. For the batteries, main mining of the design requires sophisticated material. 4 kilowatts into 4